Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology tools and trends. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating tool called Nping, a modern Rust-based ping tool that's packed with features to elevate your network testing experience. So let's get started with a quick overview of what Nping actually is. Imagine you're troubleshooting network connectivity issues or just checking how different servers respond. Traditionally, you might reach for the old faithful ping command, but Nping takes it up a notch. This sleek tool not only supports pinging multiple addresses at once, but also offers real-time data updates and visualizations. How cool is that? Now you might be wondering, what are some of its standout features? For starters, Nping allows you to ping multiple addresses concurrently. That means if you have a list of websites, you don't have to wait for one to respond before moving on to the next. You can efficiently monitor latency, packet loss, and other metrics for all your targets simultaneously. And it does this for both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. But wait, there's more. It even provides a graphical display of latencies in real time, showing you maximum, minimum, and average latency. For those of us who appreciate visuals, this is a game changer. Instead of sifting through rows of numbers, you can actually see how your network is performing at a glance. Now let's talk a bit about how you'd actually use Nping. It's pretty straightforward. You'd simply enter a command like nping www.google.com, www.apple.com, -c20, -2 to ping multiple domains with a specified count and interval. The command options are flexible enough so that you can customize your checks based on what you're looking to analyze. And here's a little sneak peek into the future. The developers are working on some exciting upgrades. Imagine seeing the geographical location of the IP addresses you're pinging, or even having subcommands to check details related to a domain name. They're optimizing the user interface with dynamic effects and sorting the results based on average latency. Sign me up. As we wrap up, I think it's essential to highlight the community behind Nping. It's remarkable how a group of tech enthusiasts can come together to provide feedback, suggestions, and support for a project like this. So if you're delving into network testing tools, I strongly recommend checking out Nping for its innovative features and user-friendly design. Before we end today's episode, here's a thought-provoking question for you. How often do you perform network diagnostics? And have you ever used a tool that truly changed the way you see your network performance? Think about it. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk, and until next time, keep exploring the tech world and enhancing your toolkit.